All right, everybody. Welcome back. This is something I ordered from China. Um, very, it was very cheap. I'll put a link to where I bought it. The company I got it from, and what size this is. I'm not even sure if it's the right size. It's kind of like buying fittings for plumbing and different things from aircraft spruce or whatever. You get them and then it's not the right size. So anyway, I'm gonna open this up, and what it is a drag chain. It's a lot of it, and I'm hoping that I got big enough drag chain. So let's open it up and we'll see if what I bought was the right size. I'm not sure. Let's see. And what this is going to be used for is for the CNC router that I'm building. And weird burlap sack here. Probably this side. Just some weird stuff. This will just rip it there. Why they would even put that around that. Alright, let's see. I think the name of the company on here. No, the name of the company is not really even on here. Some weird name. So anyway, here's that. And open this up. And I've got my fingers crossed that it's the right size, because if not, I'll have drag chain for sale. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. That's perfect drag chain. Right there. I got 28 millimeter radius, so it'll turn a tight radius. But yeah, I've got see how much I've got. It's in sections. They said so they could ship more of it. But I've got I don't know how many meters I bought, but I bought a lot. So I gotta put it all together somehow here. Figure out how to put it together. This was like this whole thing. I'll have to see. I think it was like $100 for all this drag chain. It's probably way more than I need, but my CNC that I'm building is 16 feet long by 6 feet wide. So it's going to take enough drag chain to go on the gantry, you know, back and forth. That's 12 feet. And then I've got 16 feet, so times 2. So that's 32 feet times 2. So I may not even have enough. But if I don't, I know where to get it. But I'll put the link of where I got this from. Really nice girl, Coco. She's the one that helped me, and we figured out what to get and how to ship it. And the shipping was really reasonable. Like I said, the whole thing all together, the shipping was more than the drag chain. The drag chain, I couldn't believe it. It was like $1.95 for 3 meters, I think it was. So it's like $1.95 for this. Is what this basically $1.95 US to buy this. So I mean, you can't beat the price. And I've got all this drag chain. So yeah, nice. So and they got all different sizes and all different kinds. I guess this one was a business card. And they make handles and levers, and they make all this other stuff too, levers and handles and cranks and you know, things for if you want to add a handle to something or a crank. So I'm not sure exactly. They do some machinery stuff, hinges. So it may be a beneficial look through this and see if you need anything else while you order from them, so that you can get it from them. But yeah, I'll put a link in the description for this company. So anyway, that's it. That's what I got. I've seen, you saw it just first time like I saw it, and that's my drag chain right there. I would probably not get as tight of, I mean, I would probably not get a 28, because you have this where it almost like stops, and you can get it with a with your radius of turn when it's dragging could be like this. So in other words, it won't collapse like that, because this is almost like, you know, it'll go like this. So you can have it to where it's like this with a bigger radius. So this is a 28 millimeter, so I'm not sure exactly how you even count the radius, but this will work. It's just going to be really low. But anyway, all right, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and keep watching the channel. Tell everybody about it, because I'm going to be building the CNC and the bandsaw build. I've got 4 unboxings to do today. I'm going to start making airplane parts as soon as I get the CNC done. I'm going to be making I'm going to be making the router parts with the tools that I'm buying and putting together now. So I've got a mill coming. I put the lathe in already. I've got a bandsaw. I've got a sander that I'm putting together. I've got welding carts. I got all kinds of tools coming to get this all together. Then I'm gonna build the 12-foot magnetic brake, the electromagnetic brake, 12-foot long. So I've already bought the wire for that. So it's gonna be interesting. Gonna be a whole lot of stuff done, a whole lot of builds. And then in the end, hopefully, my goal, it's been about a 5-year goal now, is to get this airplane kit underway to sell it as a kit and start producing them. So that's my end goal. So all right, see you guys on the next one.